Look at the
ice cream man. Hoping to get some money. Some money.
Look at the daily.
Okay, this is fireworks part 2. Let's watch it.
And just about to touch the spider. And there's
Abby,
another one.
Okay, there you go. Abby, you want to say some words to the people out there?
Peace out.
Again, you're getting eaten alive.
Here's the grand finale.
This is not the grand finale.
It might be.
Oh, it might be. Oh, there's something on my foot. Oh, it was your foot. Oh my god, that scared me. Oh, your hair's in the way. It's okay. What's on? Oh, it's your foot again. Oh my gosh, I'm so sorry. Oh, that was pretty.
Oh my
Ooh.
that's
Ooh, that was pretty.
Nothing it does. Not even covering my ear.
Where?
You're gonna break my chain. Nah, I'm just kidding.
Oh, with Abby up there. Oh, those like swerved. Whoa, that was pretty awesome. Want to say some words to all the YouTubers out there?
I do. Let me hold it.
No, no, you're gonna break it.
No, can I hold it?
No, I'm holding it.
You're gonna make me cry.
Watch him cry. Okay, or you won't cry.
The finale is almost
Can I
Ooh,
hold
that was pretty.
Like me,
Not now. Because I'm taking your video right
Who
now.
wants to see me? Who wants to see me? Hi. This is the fireworks
Part
tonight.
2. Okay. What holiday is this, Abby?
July 2nd.
Well, I mean, what's the holiday?
4th of July.
What's the holiday? July 2nd?
July 2nd.
No, it's July 4th.
And it's July 2nd.
I know, but I'm saying what's the holiday?
Go Black the Bears. And it's America's birthday.
Yeah.
The Bears. The Bears.
Anyone know when the Declaration of Independence?
The Cubs.
I think it was July 4th, 1776.
Boo Brewers. The Bears.
It goes Brewers, go Cubs.
I say you should give this video a thumbs up.
Unless
You don't like the fireworks, but we'll give you some good technical difficulties.
someone like Smash.
I didn't get that either.
If Ryan was here, he would love this.
Ryan's almost 1 year old, and he would love this. But it would probably hurt his ears.
Kaboom!
Well, that looked kind of like a smiley face.
The film was always in the fire. What's on fire?
Sorry, that was an arm in the way. Whoa, that was pretty.
Grand finale!
Here's the grand finale, probably. There goes one.
Kaboom!
Loud.
If you follow them, you can see them.
I know.
His up sitting there.
Too bad.
Oh, it's move.
No.
He was.
Homie. Yeah, move it.
Sorry, my.
Oh, because he weren't.
Oh, there goes the pretty one.
Yeah, move.
Rome, it's almost over. Let's enjoy the last part. Yeah. Here, you can sit here.
That was weird. That was weird. That was like a dud. Ah, that was. Wow.